What's up everybody, my name is Dwight and welcome back to GeForce Garage. Earlier this year we showed you the masterclass winner of DreamHack Winter 2017, Peder Sahl's Benchy McBenchface, which was truly a sight to behold. However, the second place winner was also a magnificent build worthy of showcasing and has just as much talent behind it. It's by Tim Malmborg, aka Timpelay, and he calls it Tilt.
Hi guys, I'm Timpelay Malmborg and I'm a custom PC designer and case modder from Sweden, and I'm here today with my project Tilt. My idea was to create a project that was kind of a signature project for me as a custom PC designer. So I started off with a 3D model, and it actually was kind of advanced geometric shape. So I narrowed it down to a simple cube design, but to make it more unique, I just cut one corner off and there we have Tilt. Going from a 3D model to this finished project, I decided to go for steel for the frame because I can weld steel myself. I welded the entire frame together and then I had it sandblasted, and I went to the paint shop going for a custom black metallic color, which actually has a kind of bronze metallic in it. With the custom frame done, I continued off with the side panels, and it's actually the back side panel that holds everything inside this case. So it's a bit thicker acrylic at the back, which everything is mounted to this back side and then angled out in the air like levitating inside the case. As this is an all see-through case, I didn't want my cables to stand out, so I decided to make them all myself, as short as possible, and I had them sleeved black to keep them in the background. To finish the project off, I decided to make my own custom top panels using my own logo and a hexagon pattern, and then I had them laser cut for the best finish. It's powered by a Gigabyte motherboard, the Intel Core i7 8700K. We have TEAMGROUP limited edition, 16 gigabytes of memory inside, and a Corsair SFX PSU at the bottom, and of course the GeForce GTX 1080 graphics card. I decided to build my own custom loop for the cooling. I have a CPU block, I have a GPU block with two 120mm radiators and Corsair fans, and I have a small pump and this tiny reservoir here at the back. I did my own custom acrylic tubing and used Bits Power brass fittings. So that's my project Tilt, and thank you guys for having me here.
If there's anything that inspires me more to create a completely custom build, it's seeing these types of mods. Amazing work, Tim. Thank you very much for sharing it with us. Can't wait to see what mods will come out of DreamHack Winter 2018 later this month. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. We'll see you for the next one.